For a long time, CapCut was the favorite among content creators. It was complete, easy to use, and most importantly, free. But that has changed. Gradually, the most important features started getting locked behind a paywall. And today, a lot of people feel like they've lost what made CapCut so appealing. And it's exactly in this scenario that Google steps in. YouTube Create has just been launched as a 100% free tool designed specifically for content creators. And we're not talking about something simple or limited. It's an editor full of features integrated with the Google ecosystem and totally focused on vertical and long videos. And the question is straightforward. Can YouTube Create finally put an end to CapCut's reign? That's what you're going to find out now. But before that, subscribe to the channel. And to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So, let's get to the video. Alright guys, today I want to share with you this new thing I just discovered. YouTube Create. Listen up, it's become easier to create and publish videos. YouTube Create offers easy-to-use tools you need to give your videos that professional touch. With filters, effects, transitions, and our huge library of royalty-free music. Check it out. Copyright-free. You can make shorts or longer videos that captivate your audience. All of this at no financial cost. In other words, it's a powerful video editor that you can use without having to pay anything. And it's available for both Android and iPhone. I'll leave all the links right here in the description of this video. Now check this out. Give your videos a professional touch. It's easy to use. Now it's even easier to create amazing videos. With editing tools, effects, filters, and transitions, all in a simple and intuitive interface, right on YouTube. Create and publish shorts and longer videos with ease. Directly on your YouTube channel. It's completely free. What's even better, YouTube Create is free and has no ads to interrupt your editing flow. Unlike the free version of CapCut, when you edit a video there and then export it, that watermark shows up. That doesn't happen here. You can create your video. Long, short, it doesn't matter. You won't have a watermark, and you'll be able to use it without having to pay anything. Then they show the little video here. The links will all be here in the description of this video. And if you want to use it, it's very simple. Just download it from Google Play or the Apple Store. You can use it in a super simple way. No need to worry about music copyright. None of that. You can use it today without having to pay anything. So let's go. I'll show you now how to use YouTube Create. So let's go. After you download the app to your phone, this is the interface you will find. You just need to log in with your Google account. It can be a free account, that's no problem. Here you have some templates you can view if you want to get inspired. There's a complete library here for you to check out. See, here you have moments, everyday life. If you want to see everything, just click here. And then it already shows you all the examples here in case you want to use them. Everything is organized here so you can get inspired. If you make travel vlogs, for example, there are options here too. Take a look. Trips, places, and adventures. Everything is available here for you to copy and make it your own. And lifestyle, that's here below as well. So you can choose any of these templates here to get inspired and create your own content. So down here you have the templates. Look, here it is. See, if you want to use it, just click here on Use Template. Here are the projects. Since I don't have any, nothing is showing up. And here I have my account. To start using it, it's very simple. Just click here on the plus sign. The first time you use the tool, it will request access to your gallery. Grant access, and you can use it without issues. I'm selecting videos here. Then the videos that are available will appear here. I'm going to choose this video here. I'll click on import. There you go, the video is already showing up. So here I have my timeline. Look, it's very similar to CapCut. It's available here in case I want to cut a part. Just click the scissors icon. See, this part is already cut. To delete it, I just click the trash can. Done, it's already deleted. Now I have this video here. If I want to add another clip, I just click on the plus sign. Then it will come back here to my timeline. I'll choose any random video here. I'll take this other one. I'll import it. And that's it. It automatically pasted here. Now if I want to add a transition between these two clips, look, I have transitions down here. So when I click, several transition options appear here. You can already preview how it will look here. Look how cool that is. And here you have several really nice options. And it's all free, guys. No watermark. You can use it without paying anything. Really cool. Look, I'm going to use this one. Look how cool. I liked it done. Just put it here and that's it. I already have my transition here. To see how it turned out, just hit play. And then I can see exactly how it's working. I can also adjust the volume, so I can increase or decrease the volume. I have the option here to remove the background. Look how interesting. So when I click here, I can crop. Notice that since I didn't have a background here, which was very suitable for removal, it does a so-so crop here. But if I have a green background, I just click here and then I select the green background. Or if not, I come here and ask it to crop. And it does this crop automatically. Look how cool that is. Here in this other menu, adjust, I have some settings. So I can adjust the brightness of the image, the contrast. These are pretty complete controls. Check it out. Highlights, shadows, white point, black point, saturation, warmth, hue, skin tone, blue tone, increase sharpness. Create a vignette, which is that darkened area around the edges, and also opacity. Check it out. I can increase or decrease it. Everything is available here. And then I can apply it to my entire clip, or just to a specific part if I've trimmed it. Coming back here. Now I have the effects. Look how cool. Check this one out, aberration. When I click look, it already applies this effect here automatically. Look, zoom out little by little. It's really cool because these are pretty complex effects. And they're available here for free. Let's check out this one. Brilliant. Look how cool. Flames. So it's really cool because you're going to create videos with high engagement because you have effects, subtitles here. Everything is available to you without having to pay anything. And then you can publish directly on YouTube. Or save this video and publish it on any social network you want. I have this other feature here, audio refinement. So if the audio has a lot of noise or some weird sound, you can apply this effect here. And automatically it will suppress the noise. So that's really cool because it will help you a lot, especially when you make an external audio recording. It goes there, uses artificial intelligence and removes all the noise from your video. You can also adjust the speed. So you can increase or decrease it. You can rotate, you can replace, rearrange, delete, and duplicate. Everything is available here. So you can use it directly on your phone. By clicking here on this little arrow, you see that other menus appear here. So I have overlay. I can do that picture-in-picture there and put a little image or another video there and it shows up right in the corner. I also have the text menu here. So I have simple text. I can write whatever I want here to make it more engaging. There's a complete sticker gallery, and that's cool because with this Google integration, all the stickers available in the Google ecosystem show up here. Look how cool that is. How many stickers are available here to give my video that extra touch? Besides the stickers, I also have GIFs. Look, all the GIFs are here for me to add to my video. That's really cool. And of course, all the emojis are available here too. Including animated emojis, right? To make your video even cooler. I can also add royalty-free music. Listen to this. Soundtracks with no financial cost, royalty-free. You accept the terms and conditions of the YouTube audio library when using this feature. From there are several songs available here that you can add to your video. And you don't need to worry about copyright. Besides music, you also have sound effects here. And your own songs as well. You will allow access. Then you'll be able to use it. Just remember, if it's a song that has copyright, you might have some issues. But if you use sound effects and songs from YouTube itself, there's no problem at all. You can add them to your video. And you won't have any headaches later on. Besides that, you can do a narration. Look, it asks for access while using the app. Then you'll do the recording. You can do it off screen, the so-called voice over, right? You'll record, do your narration, and then insert it directly into your video. Another cool option to increase your video's engagement is here in the subtitles. Check this out. It will create the subtitles automatically. Then you'll have the audio source here, the language, and you can choose the translation. And then it will subtitle your video. Look how cool that is. This is actually a feature that's now paid in CapCut, but not here. You can subtitle your video without having to pay anything. Going back here, you have the background color. You can change the background color and also the aspect ratio of your video. So you have 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and 1 by 1. You save it, it will resize, and then you can publish it on your social network. Speaking of publishing, how do you export? It's very simple. Just click here on this little arrow. Look at this. It already shows you here. frame rate, file format, and resolution. You have the standard, which is 720p, and high, which is 1080p. There's 2K, which is 1440p, and the maximum, which is 4K. That's really cool. So everything is available here when you export, then you just export. If you already have a linked YouTube account, no problem. You can export directly there, and then you can use it on your channel. Or if not, you can download this MP4 file, and then you can upload it to TikTok, Instagram, or any other social network. So guys, give it a try. Everything is available for free, just like I said at the beginning. The links will be in the description of this video, for Android or for iPhone. There's no problem at all. You just download it, install it, and you won't pay anything. And then you can start creating your content right away. And who knows, maybe even replace CapCut for good. It's a really cool tool that's now available for everyone. It can be on paid accounts or free accounts. Just download it, upload your video, edit, and publish. So, have you guys already used YouTube Create? Do you think it will really replace CapCut once and for all? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.